how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So let's open the browser in here and let's go to Google Maps in the search. Wait for it to load, then type the United States in your search. That's the country we are going to target in today's method. Here let's go to the states, wait for it to load, and here zoom in on the states and choose a city or a state to apply this method to. I'm going to choose Philadelphia, and here or Florida, and let's zoom in, and I'm going to choose Daytona Beach. So here I'm going to zoom in on this place. Then I'm going to go to the search and start by looking for some kind of small business like auto repairs, plumbers, or hair salons. But before that, I'm going to talk first about the three main services that we are going to offer to these business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create the website for them if they do not have one, and if they already have a website, we are going to check the website to see if it's old. Then we can offer them the renovations for that website. Then the second service is bad reviews removing. So we are going to offer to remove the bad reviews that they would have in their website. And the third service is social media accounts managing for them, Instagram and Facebook as well. So here let's look for some small businesses like hair salon, and let's click on search, wait for it to load, and here let's go to the search. Here are the results. So guys, in order to find or in order to choose the profiles with the highest rate of working with us or hiring us, make sure to avoid the big ones with more than 150 reviews and the ones also with sponsored written in the top of their profile. So always go for the ones with less than 150 reviews and with no sponsored written in their profile, like this one here. They don't have any sponsored written in the profile, but they have more than 150 reviews. It's just 151. It's no big deal, but they have a lot. You can't find any bad reviews in their reviews, and that means we cannot offer them the second service, which is bad reviews removing. So here let's scroll down. They don't have a website, so we can offer them the website creation, but we cannot offer them the bad reviews removing, because as you can see from the review summary, they only have the 5-star reviews, which means they are doing a very great job with no bad reviews at all. That means they are a hell of a staff and a salon. So we can offer them just the website creation. So you can just go to their let's check their Facebook to see if we can offer them the social media accounts managing or management. So here they have 3,000 plus likes and followers, and here these are their posts from 15th of April. Let's scroll down to see their posts. So they do not have anyone managing their social media, so we can offer that to them. And this is the haircut that they gave, as you can see. Another one in here, Same thing with this one. So you can offer them the social media management and the website creation as well. So you can just send them a message in here saying, hey, my name is this and I offer these services, and these services are going to help you. Then mention the benefits of these services. For example, the website is going to make things easier for you, make the appointments booking easier, and also make you save a lot of money from calling people and getting calls by saving time as well. And the second service, which is the account or the social media management, is going to help you a lot by gaining a lot of followers, making them make funds to your job, and also getting or gaining more clients, and that will eventually become gaining more money. So you can mention all of these things in the message that you are going to send them. And let's move on to see if we can find someone with some bad reviews like this one in here, 4.9 stars. So they must have some bad reviews. Let's scroll down. Here they have some 1-star review, and let's scroll down to see these 1-star reviews. Click on more reviews and wait for it to load. Here let's scroll down to find that 1-star review we are searching for. 8 years ago, it's 5-star, 5. So those bad reviews are very helpful, guys. You can use them in order to convince the business owners to purchase your service. And here is one 3 years ago. Don't go there, she will cut your hair extra short if she doesn't like you or if she's in a bad mood. So this is a very serious allegation to have for on your business, that one of the staff treats clients badly and don't care about what they want just because of her mood and if she doesn't like you. So that's some bad allegation to have. So you can just take a screenshot of this bad review, then use it to convince the business owners to purchase your service. And as I said, guys, in the beginning, you won't need any skills or learning any skill to deliver the services. You can just go to fiverr.com and you will be able to hire freelancers to deliver the services instead of you for a small portion of the money. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.